Fact, male pattern baldness sucks. 20% of men will experience significant hair loss by the age of 20. 30% of men will suffer from hair loss in their 30s, and so will half of all men by the age of 50, and it just keeps on going up from there. If you have any hair loss, hit that like and comment down below so we can commiserate. I'm Brian from Rated R Cars, and this is a guy tech video about how to make your bald spot vanish in just a few seconds.
If you like motorcycles, Mustangs, and man tech, do a roundhouse kick on that subscribe button. Turn on the noties. Buy me a coffee with that super thanks button.
And buckle up. Let's do work. Konnichiwa. No! That's right. Before going to Japan, you're going to want to do something about this. Stupid bald spot. Today we're going to be reviewing this to see if it actually works or if it's just another crappy company trying to steal your money. This is what it is and what it does. This is a bottle of hair building fibers that you can just shake on, gently massage in to activate, and style as usual. They come in lots of different colors. I'm using medium brown, and the company says they are all natural cotton, water resistant, and they'll stay firmly in place in wind, rain, and when sweating, as we're about to test, and will wash out if fully submerged in water or wash out in the shower. Let's see if this works. It was like 19 bucks. I got it to play around with on YouTube and maybe help some people, but if it works, I may keep it, if for no other reason than to stop all the neighborhood kids from looking and pointing and laughing at this shiny little butt cheek on the top of my head. Little whippersnappers. Anyway, let's apply it, see if it works, see if it lasts all day, see if it makes a mess anywhere, and we'll go from there. Okay, first application, take a little bit in and massage with your fingers. What are you waiting for? I said your fingers. Get in there. Sorry. So you're supposed to massage it around to activate all the little fibers that cling to the little wisps of hair that I yet have on my head. Or on my third butt cheek, as the neighborhood kids refer to it. A little bit better. We're not fully there yet. Pouring on, massaging. So I guess this stuff only works if you have some hair in place to, grab onto the little fibers and whatnot. It's definitely looking better, right? Just a little bit more. I feel like I'm seasoning my head. Some kind of a grand feast. All right, that's a lot. Massage. I can't even see the bald spot now, so that's looking good. All in the name of providing a service to the Rated R Cars family. All right, let's do it before and after. Drum roll, please. Konnichiwa. Now I feel like I don't feel so self-conscious about bending over. Now, of course, we don't want to get into pride and vanity here, but something, a little bit of sprinkle here and there on your head before you go out, or before you go see the client, or before you go on a job interview, etc. Can't hurt, can it? No pride here at Rated R Cars. So now I'll take a few hours and go live my super adventurous lifestyle and see if this can hold up. Okay, this is after several hours of sitting at my desk in front of a fan, lifting weights, fighting crime, rescuing kittens from trees, having a spot of tea, picking my nose, burping. I'm sorry about that. That was so immature. And as you can see, it looks pretty much the same as it did a few hours earlier. So, great product. Alright guys, so let me know what you think in the comments below. It seems to hold up for a long time. It does wash out completely when you are in the shower, or if it says if you submerge your head completely in water. So if you're gonna go swimming or something like that, keep in mind if you, jump into the water as this debonair Mr. GQ and you come out bald, someone might be suspicious. This company is not paying me any money to do this. I do have a different brand of this that I'm gonna be testing out over the next week or so too. I do have this on my Amazon storefront. Did you know you could shop my Amazon storefront any time of day? That's right, you could go shop right now. The link is below where you can buy this and a ton of other cool car and gal gadgetries. Gadgets. A ton of cool car, guy, and gal gadgets. What are you waiting for? Why are you still here? Go shop my Amazon storefront. This has been a Guy Tech review of No More Bald Spot for men and women hair building fibers. I am recommending it. And yeah, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one. Unless you don't show up to my next video. Please show up to my next video. Oh, I'm such an idiot. But I'm not a bald idiot. At least until I wash my hair. Then I become a bald idiot again. All right, you guys, bye. For real this time.